Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Then, due to his great love and feeling, Vidhura embraced him, Uddhava, who was a constant companion of Lord Krishna and formerly a great student of Brihaspati's. Vidhura then asked him for news of the family of Lord Krishna, the personality of Godhead. Vidhura was older than Uddhava, like a father, and therefore when the two met, Uddhava bowed down before Vidhura, and Vidhura embraced him because Uddhava was younger, like a son. Vidura's brother Pandu was Lord Krishna's uncle, and Uddhava was a cousin to Lord Krishna. According to social custom, therefore, Vidhura was to be respected by Uddhava on the level of his father. Uddhava was a great scholar in logic, and he was known to be a son or disciple of Brihaspati, the greatly learned priest and spiritual master of the demigods. Vidhura asked Uddhava about the welfare of his relatives, although he already knew that they were no longer in the world. This inquiry appears to be very queer, but Srila Jiva Goswami states that the news was shocking to Vidhura, who therefore inquired again due to great curiosity. Thus his inquiry was psychological and not practical.